We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WOJO, serving the Chicago area. If you're not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use.
Hello everyone, this has been one of the darkest days on Earth. As of October 30th at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, blizzards have struck the Northeast. At 9:15 a.m., non-stop air-to-ground lightning and boulder-sized hail has struck the Great Lake region. At 9:30 a.m., numerous dams were destroyed and strong rainstorms caused major flooding in the southeast. At 9:45 a.m., hundreds, or even thousands of tornadoes have struck the Midwest. At 10 a.m., a giant wall of dust has impacted the entire state of Texas. At 10:30 a.m., a massive heat wave has struck the Southwest. Wildfires occurred after 15 minutes of this heat wave. At 11 a.m., an earthquake measuring 9.5 on the Richter scale occurred 250 miles off of San Francisco, California, and a whopping 1,856 feet high mega tsunami has struck the Pacific coast, including all of Alaska, Klondike, and Hawaii. At 11:30 a.m., numerous volcanoes have erupted all across the Northwest, including the Yellowstone supervolcano. However, the Yellowstone supervolcano has built up way faster than usual. This led to what's called a hyper-eruption. Cities from hundreds or even thousands of miles away have been destroyed. All of the disasters were delayed from yesterday at 12 p.m. to today at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 9 o'clock Pacific Daylight Time. Today is now October 31st, 2024. It is officially Halloween. However, today will be our final day on Earth. At 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected an asteroid called AFXJW 2024 and is heading towards Earth. This asteroid is 14 kilometers wide in diameter and is expected to impact the North Pacific Ocean within the next hour. I hate to break it to you, but sadly, there is nothing we can do to stop an event like this. Everyone must gather with your loved ones and make yourself comfortable and happy together. If you wish to not deal with this catastrophe, the United States government decided that suicide is now legal nationwide. If you're religious of any religion, pray to your goddess one final time. Stay strong and God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from the representative of the United States. We will now conclude the emergency alert system with one final play of the national anthem.